Good evening, friends. This is a trading plan for tomorrow and a kind of weekly wrap. Now, this week, the Nifty has closed at the lows of the week, and there are, you know, issues that the market has on its mind. Number one, the global markets don't look very strong. Number two, India and China are flexing their muscles at the border. People I talk to expect action. Otherwise, why are they wasting time at the border? And number three, you have the issues with financials. And let's see what sort of judgment comes in. But obviously, banks are not feeling confident going into the judgment. Now, an important concept in the market is follow through. So the issue is, does US market get follow through from its weekly decline, and do we get follow through? I would think that the 20-day moving average, which is at about 11,400, is now decisively broken, and I would expect 11,100, where a previous big decline ended, could come into the picture. So I am, as I said on Friday, on a sell on rally mode, and any rallies towards about 11,350, 400 should be used to sell into the Nifty. On the Bank Nifty, any rally towards 23,150 should be used to sell on the Bank Nifty. Again, the view changes on the Bank Nifty at 23,600. Yes, you need to have deeper stops. And on the Nifty at about 11,450. So targets on Bank Nifty could be closer to 22,400 for the week. And similarly on the Nifty, 11,100 is the first target, and then we'll see how things go from there. We haven't had a 2-week correction for last many months. So the market is kind of due, the environment is uncertain, institutions are selling. So I am not feeling very eager to buy. Financials will have a couple of more weak sessions before they find some sort of support, and again geopolitics etc. is likely to dominate. Even if the US market comes back, the kind of problems we have, we may not immediately follow through. A lot of people are expecting Monday will be a big day because US came back from the lows. I don't think there is an eagerness to buy at current levels. So there could be more downside that should be expected. Reliance, after a long time, is now beginning to trade below 2075, 2080. That could possibly put more pressure on the Nifty. So with Nifty, Bank Nifty and Reliance weak, it seems a bit difficult how we can move up sustainably. But the idea should be to use rallies to sell. Again, I am hearing targets 10,500, 450, this, that. The news flow is not big enough for that zone. There has to be some serious problem in liquidity from the Fed for that to happen. So that is out of question. 11,000, 11,100 is quote unquote worst case scenario, and we should be able to find support there. That should be it for next week. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.